Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back. My name's Talon.
I'm Paige.
And this is our YouTube channel. This is the second video that we've done so far, and we're going to be going over our kitchen remodel that we did on our 1927 home.
We originally bought this house back in October of 2019, and we spent the last couple of years kind of renovating certain spaces, and the kitchen was the first spot that we knew we for sure wanted to renovate. So we will show you the kind of before and the afters and the kind of process that we used to design this kitchen.
Hey guys, so if you kind of saw, we'll show the picture before, but this is where the entrance to the kitchen was. This is where the old door was, and then the whole built-in buffet was all the way out on here. So where we had the counters before, you wouldn't even be able to get in, but then you can kind of come in and we'll kind of show you. We blew this whole thing out, and this is where the radiator was here as well too. So what I ended up having to do is cap the radiator line, and then there was also a water vent pipe that we'll show you in one of the pictures as well that I wasn't expecting, that I had to reroute over here as well too. So aside from that, this light switch and the radiator wasn't a whole lot of relocating to do. The wall wasn't load buried or anything, so that was a plus. And then that buffet was pretty easy to get out. So, and then kind of coming in, this is where the old sink was. It had a cast iron top, and then it was actually metal cabinets underneath. There was no garbage disposal or dishwasher, so we had to put that in there and make sure it was plumbed correctly for it. But then we took all that out. This is where the fridge was before. It was right here. Moved everything around, and then when I took the buffet out here, we ended up kind of bringing everything in. So we ended up relocating the fridge over to this side, and then we built out this wall a little bit so we could kind of hide it as well too. So it sits really well in there, and then this is also where the old oven and microwave were. So this is the only thing that was really in the same spot. And then obviously we had to go in and make sure we had some more cabinet space since we took out that whole wall there. So we got lucky when we found our cabinets. We got a few with a little bit higher or taller, so they're a little bit closer to the ceiling, which gives us a little bit more space and everything. So, but yeah.
The first thing I really wanted to do, make a priority about this kitchen, was opening it up, which Talon kind of talked about, taking out that the buffet that was there before and kind of opening this space up and kind of made it more of a galley kitchen. I really like the idea of doing a statement cabinet because I kind of like bold colors in the home. So green is one of my favorite colors. And so I pulled in a dark green for the cabinets, which was kind of nerve-wracking at first, but I'm super in love with it still, so no regrets. I chose to do a little gold handle, pull in a little more kind of a modern version of like a vintage brass. And then I originally wanted to do like a white quartz or marble style countertop, but then it was actually Talon's idea for a more cost-effective option to do a butcher block, which I've never had before in a home growing up or anything, but I'm really glad we chose this because A, it's really cost-effective, but it's also really good at pulling in that warmer tone into the kitchen. So as you can see, we chose a white subway tile. We chose a larger size. I think they're 16 inches by like 3 inches if I'm not wrong. So like a larger size all the way up to the ceiling to kind of draw your eye up. And that kind of offered that like light bright color that I wanted. So it didn't get too dark with the cabinets. And then of course we chose a modern appliance. I'm kind of picky about appliances, so Talon kind of let me pick out the ones that I wanted. So sorry I didn't clean them. I meant to do that, but it's fine. So they're really pretty. I love them. We did a gas stove. And then, yeah, you'll see we kind of just really opened it up, kind of made a cute little coffee nook over here. And then one of my favorite parts is, of course, our sink is so beautiful. I love this gold faucet that we chose. Yeah, this and the gold hardware are all from Amazon, actually. But yeah. I'll try to find them. If I can link them, I'll link them below. And then the cabinet color, I believe, is called Black Evergreen. We got it from Home Depot. I believe it's Behr. And we actually sprayed our cabinets. We did not roll paint them, in case you're curious. But anyways, that's kind of a little more detail about our kitchen. If you guys have any questions, feel free to leave them below. I love to talk about our kitchen. And I know Talon does too. But yeah, we will show you guys lots more projects soon. Yeah, we wanted to give this one a go first because It was the first one that we did. You probably noticed there's still some small details that we got to work out. Yeah, like the tile over here, and there's like some paint and stuff over there. And then we got to just redo all this whole door. This goes down to our downstairs, which you're not going to get to see right now. No. It's a disaster. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed our little kitchen renovation video. We'll probably keep you updated as we do little finishing touches on this space as well.
Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed this. This is kind of just a compilation of all the old footage and pictures that we had, trying to get it out. And we can also move on to some more bigger and better projects as well too. So
yeah,
hope you liked it.
Yeah, sorry, it's kind of not really a lot of before footage. We noticed that when we started doing this project, that was kind of right before we started really getting into videos. So, and it was actually, some of it was before I even moved here. So yeah, this one's maybe one of our rougher videos in terms of like before and afters, but we have a lot of footage for other projects that we've done that we will show you and share in the future. But we hope you enjoyed this little montage and follow along for more. Ooh, bloopers?
No, not bloopers. Kind of maybe. What do you think of the whole kitchen in general? Is it good? Ooh, this is kind of nice when I come up here. Ooh, fuck.
Welcome.
Shit, actually though.
Welcome to my Mother Earth Paige's kitchen, where we cook good food and we have a lot of plants. I counted the other day. We have 11 plants within this vicinity. I think, or 10. One or the other. Too many, but I like it. Helps fight seasonal depression, if you know what I mean.
What's your favorite part in the kitchen?
Well, our cabinets are the most beautiful part. I get so many compliments on these cabinets, you guys. The shaker style is my favorite. And do a taller cabinet if you can. It draws your eye up, which always helps make your space look bigger. Same with the tile. That's why I did it all the way to the ceiling. Sorry, my voice sounds like a frog, but and I also love our little, I don't know, the little details. It came together like so cozy.
Like this.
It's small, but it's so cozy.
This nice little detail, this little number.
I'm turning into quite the little maximalist, which I didn't know that was even a thing until the other day. I used to want to be a minimalist until I decided I like to fill my shelves with plants and stuff. So that's what makes me happy, and that's what I'm gonna do. So I'm a maximalist now.
Stuff.
But anyways, look how cute. Yeah, this little coffee area is. I like this coffee mug, or this coffee machine, and my cute little new mug. Enjoy the gift of an ordinary day. Words to live by, people.
What do you think?
Of what?